Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do graduation nail art for 2020. Congrats! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Start by painting your toenails white. First, you're going to start by doing the graduation cap and tassel. Follow me on Instagram. Now, to start doing the numbers 2020. Check out the cards in the end screen and don't forget to subscribe. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.